Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a quick and easy fried rice perfect for lunch. Let's get straight to today's video. I actually love pineapple fried rice yeah, with pineapples that are chunky. I'm going to start by preparing my vegetables. I have 4 medium-sized carrots here and a pepper. I'm going to chop them up. So let me just discard the seeds and quickly wash my pepper. I'm also going to prepare 2 medium-sized onions. I'll set the onions aside again. I have my pineapple here. Let me get rid of this upper part. I know, baby.
Hi, the pineapple.
Pineapples can't talk. For me, I don't like my pineapples in like very tiny pieces. I mean like the one that is going to disappear in my mouth. Another thing I'm going to prepare is some garlic. I'm going to chop my ginger into tiny pieces, and I'm also going to go ahead and add my garlic in and crush it as usual. I'm also going to just chop the garlic too. You can replace this with ginger and garlic paste. And then right here I have some green peas. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly clean this. So I'm done and I feel like that is just ready. And then right here I boiled some corn. I'm just going to go ahead and drain the water in it. I'm going to fire up my stove, and then I'm going to add my karai here. I'm going to add my oil in. I'm now going to go in with my onion. I'm also going to add my ginger and garlic paste in. Mix it up, and then I'm just frying my onions to golden brown. So before my onions are super golden brown, I'm going to add in my carrots, peppers, and the peas. My onions are now golden brown and I feel like my vegetables are cooked enough. I'm now going to add in my corn and my pineapples, and then I'm going to give it a mix. I'm now going to add in my rice, cooked rice. Yeah. So I'll mix this and then I'll see if I need to adjust more in. So you guys, this is just so ready. Let me give it a taste. The salt is just enough. I don't need any more salt. Yeah. I actually love pineapple fried rice. Yeah, with pineapples that are chunky. This is so good and it's full of health and life and vegetables. Thank you so much for watching this short and easy lunch recipe idea that you can try at home. It's very easy and cheap. Thanks again for watching and kindly subscribe to my channel to support me to create more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.